In this video, we'll discuss 50 interview questions with answers in data structures and algorithm design. The first question, when data have to be stored and then retrieved in reverse order, which data structure is to be used? The answer is stack. Next question, which data structure cannot store the non-homogeneous data elements? The answer is arrays. Next question, recursion implementation is an application of stack, true or false? The answer is true. Next question, list any two applications of stack data structure. First is managing function calls, then arithmetic expression evaluation. Next question, if the elements P, U, and E are placed in a queue data structure and are deleted one at a time, in what order will they be removed? The answer is P, U, and E. Next question, how circular queue is different from normal queue? The answer is, in circular queue, rear is connected back to front. Next question, in which list last node is connected back to the first node? Answer is circular linked list. Next question, what is a linked list? The answer is, a linked list is a data structure that has sequence of nodes where every node is connected to the next node by means of reference pointer. The elements are not stored in adjacent memory location. Each node contains data and link part. Next question, what are the applications of doubly linked list? Answer is, a music playlist with next song and previous song navigation options. The undo and redo functionality on platforms such as Word, Paint, etc., where you can reverse the node to get to the previous page. Next question, what is priority queue? The answer is, a priority queue is an abstract data type that is like a normal queue but has priority assigned to elements. Next question, the tree where each node can have at most two children is called? The answer is binary tree. Next question, adjacency matrix can be used for what? The answer is for sequential data representation. Next question, adjacency list can be used for what? The answer is used to represent linked data. Next question, the data structure which must be connected and can never have loops is called? The answer is tree. Next question, what do we mean by traversing a graph? Answer is, visiting all nodes in the graph using some traversal method. Next, in games like chess, tic-tac-toe, which traversal method is suitable? The answer is DFS, depth first search. Next, when the elements in a tree are displayed in ascending order, which traversal method could be used for that? The answer is in-order traversal. Next question, how does binary search works? The answer is, first it needs sorted data. Then the middle element of the array is found out and the search begins from there. The array is searched in two parts based on the search value being higher or lower than the middle element. It is key to know the order of the arrangement to help search the value accordingly. Next question, which function is used to check which element is present on top of stack? The answer is peek. Next question, which data structure is used to evaluate or to parse an expression? The answer is stack or tree. Next question, how will you store the possible move in a chess game? The answer is using tree data structure. Next question, for a popular restaurant, customers keep on coming and place an order. You need to make sure that each customer gets their correct food item or bill at the cash counter. In this case, which data structure is used? The answer is Q. Next question. For a social networking website, if you are supposed to store the network feeds that may grow depending upon the number of users and is also can be dynamically added, then which data structure you will use? The answer is linked list. Next question. What data structure will be used for a scenario wherein you need to store the information of friendship or relationship for a social networking site? The answer is graph, where each person will be a vertex and connections, friendship are the edge. Next question. What data structure does Google Map uses? The answer is graph. Next question. Which data structure is most appropriate to store the hierarchy of the employees in an office? The answer is tree. Next question. How you will store the undo redo operation in a word processor? The answer is stack. Next question. In which scenario the best case time complexity of a searching algorithm will be O1? The answer is when the element to be searched is found at the first place. Next question. For what purpose Huffman coding is used? The answer is lossless data compression like gzip or WinZip. Next, for GPS navigation system, which algorithm is used to find neighboring places? The answer is BFS, that is breadth first search. Next question. In networks, a broadcast packet follows which algorithm to reach all nodes? The answer is BFS, that is breadth first search. Next, which algorithm can be used to analyze what all sites you can reach by following links on a particular website? The answer is BFS. The question is related to web crawls in search engine. Crawlers build index using BFS. The idea is to start from source page and follow all links from source and keep doing same. Next question. Consider a situation wherein you need to set up telephone line in a particular area and ensure that all the houses are connected and the cost of setting up the whole connection is minimal. Which algorithm will be used? The answer is Primes or Kruskal algorithm. Next, which algorithm will be used to building a network for roads and rail track connecting all the cities? The answer is Primes or Kruskal algorithm. Next question. Can you use divide and conquer strategy in searching algorithm? Where? The answer is yes. In binary search, we use divide and conquer strategy. Next, what are the application of hash table? Answer is first application database system, especially those that require efficient random access. Second, symbol table, the table used by compilers to maintain information about symbols from a program. Third is tagged buffers, a mechanism for storing and retrieving data in a machine independent manner. Number 4, data dictionaries. Number 5, associative array. Next, what is hashing and what are two methods to implement hashing? Answer, hashing is a widely used class of data structure that support the operations of insert, delete, search on dynamic set of keys. There are two main methods used to implement hashing: hashing with chaining and hashing with open addressing. Next, which technique is used to solve n-queues problem? The answer is backtracking. Next, Why it is said that searching a node in a binary search tree is efficient than that of binary tree? The answer is, in a binary search tree, nodes are arranged in such a way that the left node is having less data value than right node value, and all the right nodes are having larger value than root. As we can search according only particular branch, the search is more efficient. Next, consider a scenario where a college library has various sections on the basis different subjects like computer science, mathematics, English, etc. Suggest a data structure for categorization of the data. The answer is, categorization of the data can be possible with multiple queues. Next, what data structure you will use for indexing in databases? The answer is tree. Next, what is the minimum number of queues needed when implementing a priority queue? The answer is, the minimum number of queues needed here will be 2. One queue is intended for sorting priorities while the other queue is used for actual storage of data. Next, which sorting algorithm is considered the fastest? The answer is, no one can be considered the fastest because each algorithm is designed for particular data structure and dataset. It would depend on the dataset that you would want to sort. Next, still, if you want to choose one best sorting algorithm, what would be your choice and why? Answer: though algorithm choice is based on application and data structure, but still, if I have to choose one, quicksort would be my answer because cache efficient. It linearly scan and linearly partition the input. This means we can make the most of every cache node, can skip some swaps. As quicksort is slightly sensitive to input that is in the right order, it can skip some swaps. Efficient even in worst case input sets as the order is generally random. Easy adoption to already or mostly sorted inputs when speed takes priority over stability. Next, what is the minimum number of nodes that a binary tree can have? The answer is, a binary tree can have a minimum of 0 nodes, which occurs when a nodes have null values. Furthermore, a binary tree can also have 1 or 2 nodes. When a binary search could be your option for searching? The answer is, a binary search is an algorithm that is best applied to search a list when the elements are already in order or sorted. Next, for sorting exam papers by roll number, which sorting algorithm you will use? The answer is insertion sort. Next, are linked lists of linear or non-linear type? The answer is both. Linked list can be considered both linear and non-linear data structure. This depends upon the application that they are used for. Next, if solutions are frequent but located deep in the tree, which algorithm you will use? DFS or BFS? Answer is DFS. And the last question, which algorithm is better if it is known that the solution is not far from the root of the tree? The answer is a breadth first search might be better. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.